for the Lord and nothing more. Simple Fun, Rain or Sun by Robin L.S. Young, 9/27/2021, 11:55 a.m. In my teenage years, I decided I was going to stay a virgin until I married. But like all teens, I had urges, desires, and longings that I could not keep down or buried. I decided that if I made a list of all the possible places to make out with my future lover, it would be okay. Think of it like a promise to myself or an IOU that I could never forget about. No way. I've never actually written it down before. In fact, I've actually added to it some more. The thought of anyone reading this, even someone that is as important to me as you, makes me blush. So I would appreciate anything you can do to keep this hush-hush. Please do not take this list as something set in stone or feel any pressure about it. I've always found it entertaining, inspiring, and something we will have fun with every bit. There are a few rules, and your opinions and experiences will weigh heavy on what we actually carry out. Some we will just laugh at and dream about. I keep writing words, but the truth is I'm procrastinating. I hope this makes you laugh, blush, self-conscious, inspire you to add to the list, and find it fascinating. The list that never ends with only you. In a car, wherever you are, on a trampoline, as long as it's unseen, in the ocean, flowing and moving with emotion, outside under the stars, wrapped up in your loving arms, on the bed of bluebonnets, you better believe I'm getting on it. On a picnic blanket next to a picnic basket, in your childhood bedroom with my sexy groom, in a tent, wild animals all around where there is no rent, a cabin in the woods where there's nothing but canned goods, outside by a campfire where your lovin' takes me higher, by and in a waterfall, losing ourselves in a passionate thaw, in a tree house where we must be quiet as a mouse, in the snow where our hot breath will show, tied to a tree where I suck you dry and set you free, in a sleeping bag for one. It might be difficult, but fun. On the kitchen floor, with food scattered around, and you scream more. In the dark, where you must feel our bodies spark. In the shower, for over an hour, listening to our music in stereo, feeling all our love around us flow. I've given you the first 20. My list is infinite and will not go empty. We will make reality the ones of our choosing. The rest we will leave to our dreams. Either way, there's no losing. I show you one of many ways I have fun. I always want to walk next to you, rain or sun. Number 21, in the rain. You will not hear me complain. my dearest love, and I having fun. For the Lord, for the Lord, for the Lord, and nothing more.